Hello everyone, and welcome to the genesis of our course on the Lua scripting language. Thanks for joining me. My name is Gustavo Pezzi. I am an university lecturer here in London, and you will see that I am a little bit biased when it comes to Lua, right? Lua is one of my favorite programming languages that I like to expose and introduce to students whenever they are trying to understand the building blocks of coding, right? Programming and coding. You will see that the reason for that is Lua is very high level, right? It is this scripting language that allows us to think about the problem that we're solving instead of thinking about the syntax, of thinking too much about the memory and how much we need to allocate in the machine. So being this very high level language, it allows students to think about the problem that they want to solve and how they move things around instead of getting distracted about these little nuances of the machine, right? Lua is very small, is very fast, is very easily embeddable right into applications. And you'll see that Lua is not a hipster language, right? It doesn't try to do too many things at the same time. You will see that throughout the course, I'm going to talk a lot about these ideas of scripting applications, right? And from its inception, Lua was created to be a scripting language. So it was not created to be a standalone language, but it was created to be this language that we usually embed and we put inside an application to allow people to script games, script other applications. So basically, that is the power that Lua brings to the table, right? Being a very fast, very easy, very simple scripting language, right? Enabling non-technical programmers, non-technical people from your team to also go and script some of the functionalities of your game or your application. That means that you can have a studio that is developing a game, and you can expose Lua, and these people can go and use Lua to add the artificial intelligence script or script the mechanics of the movement of the players. Even artists, if you want to let them change the colors of your game, they can do that using this scripting language Lua. So before we start installing things and downloading things and installing things on your operating system, I think it's important for us to spend a couple of minutes understanding the history of the language Lua. Because understanding why Lua was created, I think it is important for us to understand the power of Lua, right? Why was Lua created in the first place? What were the events in history that created Lua, right? Who is responsible? Who maintains the language Lua? Understanding these things are important for us to understand how we approach the syntax and what are the powers that Lua will actually expose to us as programmers, right? So let's try to understand the history of Lua. Let's just go back 15 years ago and start understanding the beginnings and the whole journey of the Lua language, right? I'll see you very soon.